Hi everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make lemon rice. Lemon rice is also called Elumbisambara Sadam in Tamil. This is a very quick recipe if you have cooked rice ready in hand. It hardly takes 5 minutes, but before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. We have taken 4 lemons and made juice out of it. This is 250 grams lemons, 8 cups cooked rice, 1 cup sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 1 tablespoon chana dal or Bengal gram, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rayi, 1 teaspoon urad dal or black gram split, 1/4 teaspoon methi dana or fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon kadi patte or curry leaves, 6 green chilies hari mirch, 4 red chilies or lal mirch, salt to taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder. Heat oil in a pan. Peanuts, we have not roasted it, we are frying them now. Add the peanuts and fry until they turn brown. Now add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add chana dal or Bengal gram. Bengal gram, as you know, takes time to cook, so we are adding it in first. Roast everything on a very low flame. Now add in the urad dal or split black gram. Continue to roast on a very low flame. Now add in the red chilies. These are not Kashmiri red chilies or bedgi mirchi that we usually use. This is Guntur red chili. This will add spice but will not give the color. We don't want the red color in the lemon rice. So we have taken this Guntur mirchi now. Now add in the hing or asafoetida powder. Now in go the green chilies. We have chopped them fine. Fry for about a minute. Now add in the turmeric powder, curry leaves. Now we have switched off the flame and we are adding salt and a little sugar. Sugar is optional, but to offset the sour taste I like to add sugar. And now add in the lemon juice. Now we are adding the cooked rice. We are not adding all the rice at once. We have added just part of it now. And the rice should be, see, this is how the rice should be. It should not be too mashy. For that, you have to cook the rice in such a way that for 1 cup rice, you take only 2 cups water. Now we are done. The lemon rice is all ready. It looks very good. And I can assure you, it tastes yummy. See, this is how the rice texture is. Shouldn't be mashy. We can have it as is, but today we are having it with carrot salad and Padaval or Podalanga Kuttu recipe shortly coming on our channel. You can check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you again with another recipe soon. Thank you. Take care.